views, but you won't find the Kardashians sitting on their platforms every 2 seconds. Stop talking about me. This is not right. Why are you obsessed? Get with the program, right? It's show business, right? You live by the camera, you die by the
You
camera.
know, I feel like from what I was seeing on that video, Meli was rather uncomfortable with that fact, and this is what we always see with our brothers. Just watch this video and then I'll come back and
Going out
explain
on
his
dates,
own
going on
opinions.
trips. Because even for, I mean, I'm a very honest person. Even the relationship that I saw between my mom and my dad was one where it's like they were just together and there wasn't really like much affection, and it's good to see those things and then say, what is it that I want for myself? Ngifuna ukujola lento ebandayo yase-South Africa umjolo obandayo okade uvutha manje and then all of a sudden a person gets lazy. Or do you want longevity of existing in a fruitful and lovely relationship that you actually enjoyed, where you actually created beautiful memories with that person? So that's what I meant when I said, Mina, I'm not signing up for into a bandai. No, thank you. I like it hot. I like it the way that I like it. I don't like to be miserable. And you're just asking yourself why even existing with that person. I don't like that. So yeah, that's what I meant. If he's into that, then
You see what I'm talking about? Guys, one thing that I love about Thandeka is that she doesn't mince her weight. If she wants to say something, she's gonna say it. Whether it's right, wrong, people are gonna have heartburns, chest pains, she'll just say it. And it's very important that as ladies, whenever we're in a relationship, we set our standards and we stick to them. I mean, in South Africa, I think it's one of the worst dating pools that we can ever have in our life. And this is not because we want to. Our grandmothers did it, our mothers copied it, and we want copied it. Copied. Ah, yeah, English man. And we want to do the same thing. We just keep on copying and copying what they're doing in relationships. Guys, relationship doesn't need to be boring. Relationship doesn't need to be cold, as Thandeka is saying. Like, our parents, they will pretend as if they are enemies in public. Even at home, they pretend as if they're enemies. They're not even siblings. They're not even in a romantic relationship. And you're asking yourself, do you even care about each other? You know what I mean? So for Thandeka to say that if you're not gonna give me that, I'm gonna leave, you're gonna go and date people who wants that. And I'm like, okay, guy, you're right. You are right, and you don't have to explain it time and I don't know, because I'm not the person who was Thandeka. To be honest, I don't. Any housemate, I just get snippet there and there and there and comment. But that's not the essence of this video. What I'm trying to say is that Meli was rather uncomfortable doing that, and I was like, my brother, you better work hard, because once the donations dry up, once people move on to the new housemates, you heard the girl. She said that she can go to Abalungu Bakhe. So I'm not saying that she's gonna go, but they think slow. So I'm just commenting because I feel like as those conversations that we should have with our partners. And girls, we must not pretend as if we don't like things. Hey, we like things. We like money. We like being taken out to go eat, adventurous. Take me for ice cream date. If you don't have money, we are still building. Let's just stop being a couple that only do couple things in the bedroom, because our relationship does not end in the bedroom. You end up dating someone for over 10 years without knowing who they are, what kind of ice cream they like, what kind of, like, can they run, can they hunt, like what it is beyond what you are seeing in the bedroom. So yeah, goodbye, and I'll see you in my next upload.